we're going to make
Can
cookies.
I try? Can I help you?
Cookies, chocolate flavor.
Can I taste some?
Yeah, when it's finished, you can taste some.
Can I have a little bit?
Okay, you taste. What is?
Chicken.
Hey, be careful, mahulog ka dyan, ha? I'm just heating up the oven and then we can start cooking this, huh? Are you excited? Oh, I told you. Get down na akong. Later, when I finish this, you can eat some, okay? Yes? How's your school? Nothing? You don't have fun in your school?
Nothing.
Nothing you do in the school?
Nothing.
Nothing talaga?
Nothing.
Okay. You don't write your name there?
Nothing.
Hi, third. How's your school? Ah? Good. Did you have a good time there? What? Okay. Puro natin yung sagot eh. It doesn't have to be perfect. Kasi yan, when I bake that, it's gonna be perfect. I have been sit this for 2 days. 2 days Grabe siya, best. Ang lalaki ng cookies ko mamaya. Oo, na yung direkal. Yan ang lalaki ng ating cookies. Ayan po yung aking chocolate cookies. Ayan, meron pa dito nakaset. So my oven, and then needs to turn on the light. Ayan o. Hey, looks good. Ang aking delicious chocolate cookies. Hey, with white chocolate. Eh, sarap nito, best.